All right, so it's Jason with West End Heating and Air out here on the rooftop in Richmond, Virginia, and out here on a free proposal to, for a replacement. System's 13, 14 years old. Had somebody come out, do a bunch of work. It stopped working. They said it was beyond repair. Let me take a look at it. And I'm still gonna give them a quote, but let's dive into this. Let's see what's going on. All right, here's a before video. The compressor wires are on the common, and then the hermetic terminals, they got the common wires. So this stuff is backwards. Anyway, other vendor put a fan motor on it, left all this stuff in here. So they got a bad compressor. Let's see if I can get this thing, wired right and get it going. All right, so I found a capacitor that wasn't wired right. Did some miscellaneous wire detail, and this free estimate just turned into, hey, they got AC for the weekend. Also, not really cool. We don't do this, or if my guys do, they're gonna go sit in timeout. Left the old parts up here. Didn't quite put it in things back the way they should have been, but it's I'm not 100% done, but it's running, and I'm gonna get this cleaned up. Put the West End touch on it. I think the other guy might have been really hot, made a mistake, no big deal. It was a friend of a friend, half off special, but they've been without AC for 4 or 5 days. How can we help you today?